Want to get anonymous messages from your friends on Snapchat? Here's how to do a Sendit in just a few steps. First of all, simply install the Sendit application from the Play Store or App Store. As you can see, this is my Android phone. I simply download it from Play Store. After you have downloaded, simply open it and make sure to log into your account. While logging it will tell to connect with Snapchat. Open the app and tap let's go. You will be asked sign in with Snapchat. Allow the permissions so Sendit can link to your Snap account. Now choose a prompt. Pick a fun question or game prompt like ask me anything. As you can see, there are many templates to ask me anything option. Simply click on here and type your question. Now after you have typed the question, you will see the option called share. Simply click on share. Now the Snapchat will automatically open, as you can see. Now just post it in your Snapchat story or send it to your individual friends. And that's it. Your friends can now reply anonymously through Sendit. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Snapchat tips, and I'll see you in the next one.